Hi guys, Mulos here. So today's video, it is the Bad Business podcast or video vlog number 2, and I'm just going to talk about the Stanbic collateral-free, pre-approved Tamanga loans, which is a very good bank service and loan feature for small businesses that have a Stanbic account. The loan is pre-approved, and all you have to do is once you get the message, you can apply for the loan and you'll be given. So I'll just, this video is not sponsored, and I'm just going to talk about this from my own personal experiences, my observations, my views and thoughts and experiences on the whole process. So this is just my personal, it's not linked to Stanbic in any way. So anyways, I have maintained a Stanbic account for quite a number of years in my personal capacity because I loved using Stanbic, especially for my mobile money business and all, and my agency banking business. I decided to just, while sorting out my personal account, I would open the business account. So as a sole trader enterprise, I opened the Tamanga account. To be very honest, it's called an enterprise account, if I'm not mistaken. So I opened the account while I was sorting out my personal account. And I thought I would only use it for a short while, but it actually worked very great for my needs. It's very easy to send out payments from your enterprise account. Receiving payments is also a breeze. They process transactions 24/7. And then the other thing with Stanbic is they do have the bulk ATM machines for depositing. In case you do have the occasional bulk deposits to make after hours, those bulk machines are very good. I don't go there all the time, but when I do, they are very handy. They might not all work at the same time, because one time I went to Manda Hill, it was down, I had to go to town to do the deposit. But otherwise, the bulk machines are very good. Anyway, I've digressed a bit. Let me get back to the topic. So when I opened my Stanbic account a year ago, I did ask, that's the time they were advertising their Tamanga loans, so I was like, okay, it doesn't hurt to ask. I asked when one becomes eligible after opening the account, and they told me it takes 2 years and it's based on your account activity and transacting. So I forgot all about it, and I was just using my account for business operations and all, and I have been fortunate enough to have been doing decent to significant volumes in my account. And what happened is that after forgetting about it, early or mid-September, I got an SMS from Stanbic saying that I had been approved for set for a pre-approved loan of X amount of money, and I needed to contact my bank or my branch or Quadra 8 to find out more. So I did call Quadra 8, and this is where I think the only issues I had with the loan process did come out. There was a bit of confusion on which branch I should go to get the forms, and then which branch I should go to submit the forms. So the solution was very easy. I called Quadra 8. I asked them to email me the forms. They emailed me the forms. I then called Quadra 8 and asked them, I went through the forms with somebody. He advised me where to fill in, where to sign and all. And then I called Quadra 8 again to ask where I should submit the forms, and I was told I could just email my relationship manager with the signed forms, which I did. And then after that, she advised me she should get back to me within 2 days. It took 3, but after 3 days, she got back to me and said they should be approved that same day. The following day, I got the approval email, and then I was told I needed to go to the branch head office where the relationship manager is to go and sign the forms. I went, I signed the forms, and the following day they created the loan account and they credited the money. It was that simple and straightforward. Anyway, so the tips to getting a Stanbic pre-approved loan. The first one is you need to have a Stanbic enterprise account. Mine is an enterprise. I don't know about limited companies and all. I'll just talk about my personal experiences. Open an enterprise account, and then 2, use your account in your everyday business activities. If you're doing sales, deposit the sales into the bank. If you're making payments to your suppliers or your clients and all use the account for that. So the bank will be able to assess your business cash flows based on your account activity. It makes it very, very easier for, I don't know whether they use an algorithm or AI or human intervention and all to determine your business cash flows and all. So use your bank account for your everyday business income and expenditure, and then the system will be able to determine how much you qualify for a pre-approved Tamanga loan. And then once you get the pre-approved Tamanga loan, the very worst you need to do is maintain your standard or your usual cash flows, because the loan is designed for your current existing cash flows. So the very worst you can do is maintain those cash flows. It means that business has plateaued, you're not regressing and you're not progressing, but you are maintaining the same. And based on their evaluation, you should be able to pay the Tamanga loan you have been given at that level. So if you're maintaining that level, it means that the loan will not be stressing you. Then at best, your business should go up after the Tamanga loan. This is at best. And then if you maintain the habit of depositing all your income into the account and making all your business expenses from the account, you should be able to pay off the loan without any problems. And then after some time, either while the loan is running or when it has finished, you also qualify for another pre-approved loan. So as long as you just maintain the momentum or the activity that has gotten you a pre-approved loan, either maintaining the levels or increasing them, you will not have any problems with the loan, and then you should be able to qualify for another loan. And then if we all maintain the payments and give the bank no problems, they should be offering this to maybe more and more businesses, which would help a lot of businesses who are struggling to look for financing or capital for their business, mostly financing. So in case you do get the loan, my simple tip is just maintain your normal business activity. Try not to reduce your business activities by all means. And then if possible, if the loan has helped your business cash flows, let that reflect into your bank account. And then one last thing, if you do get the loan, try to avoid investing in scams or these get-rich-quick schemes. I know sometimes money sounds good, you invest 100 kwacha today, you're going to have 10,000 kwacha after 45 days. There's no such type of business that works like that. All business follows basically the same business principles. If it's too good to be true, it's probably a scam or it's a high-risk venture. So in case you do get the business loan, it's at worst supposed to make you maintain the same cash flows that you've been experiencing. At best, it's supposed to increase your cash flows that you're experiencing. And that is my personal experience getting the Stanbic pre-approved Tamanga loan. I was very pleasantly surprised that I qualified, and then I was also very, very happy that it was approved and processed within a very, very reasonable time frame. And the interest rates, you can find out from the bank what the interest rates are. It's the standard bank interest rates with the standard bank processing fees and all. It's ranging about 35%. I know when some people hear 35% or 30%, they'll be like, oh, it's too high. But divide that by 12 and you see that it actually works out to about 2.5% per month or so. And then also consider that against the standard interest rates that you're getting from microfins or other private lenders and all. And then you get to see that it's actually a very decent rate. And provided more and more people get the facility and more people are paying on time and all, it should lead to maybe greater incentives in terms of the interest rates and all offered to people here and there. And then the other thing to also remember is that Stanbic will check your credit rating with the CRB and all. So if you are owing that money to Zamcash, MTN, Kongola, and the Airtel Kasaka loans, or have I mixed them up? If you are owing those, it will affect your CRB, and then you won't be able to qualify for that. So just make sure you clean up your borrowings everywhere. Make sure you have got a clean CRB, and then make sure that you use your business account as a business account and transact in that account, and I think you should be good to go. If you have any queries and all, please remember that I don't work for Stanbic. I don't know their internal processes and all. You can contact them on Quadra 8 or 8200. Walk to your nearest Stanbic Bank branch, or contact Stanbic Bank by email or any other means, and they should be able to help you. Anyways, I hope the video has been helpful. Do let me know in the comment section. I look forward to your comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Mulos, bye.